Business used to be so simple. Today, supply chains span continents, AI rewrites the rules overnight, and one wrong data point can cost a company millions. Complexity isn't coming, it's here. The best leaders, however, don't just survive it, they harness it. PwC found 65% of CEOs say complexity is their number one challenge. Why? Most professionals are still using 20th century tools for 21st century chaos. The indispensable players, well, they've mastered the following 3 rules. Rule 1, become a VUCA translator. VUCA, volatility, scenario plan like Shell did during the oil crisis. Uncertainty, run pre-mortems to anticipate failures. Master first principles thinking like Elon Musk, breaking down rocket costs to atoms. And then finally, build a complexity toolkit. Notion for knowledge management, Miro for process mapping, ChatGPT for rapid analysis. Complex systems respond to simple strategic pressure points. Meet Sarah. When her finance reports became obsolete, she didn't panic. She learned Power BI in 3 weekends, automated 70% of the workflow, and became the go-to data storyteller. So why not this week? Map one process that's needlessly complex. Test one simplification tool. Try Notion or Miro. Ask, what's the core problem here? Look, the future belongs to those who can make the complicated simple. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so I can pop up in your feed occasionally with a great tip for your ultimate growth.